I'm going to use 4 Mentos and a Diet Coke.
This is not gonna end well.
Brittany's going to be using the Coke Zero, so you guys decide which one's better. Okay. Here, hold my cap.
Fail.
Alright, see if I can put all 4 in there.
Oh, shit. Holy shit.
I only put 3.
Oh, God. Well, that was a waste.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
What the fuck?
Do you have any others? Like plastic ones?
Okay, Brittany, how much are you going to put in there?
Probably 3.
We should put it over there. Put it away from it.
I
Dumbass.
can close it better though.
No, it's not cool to close it and then do it.
Well, you open it again. See what happens. It's probably gonna blow up.
God, this is not gonna end well.
No, it's not. It's not going to end well. Okay, Kevin, explain to our viewers what you're going to do.
Put 3 Mentos in here and shut the cap right away.
And I have a feeling with my prediction that it's going to be a fail.
Probably.
All right, well, have fun.
Alright, ready?
Oh, that was perfect! Oh! Oh!
I think the Zero Cola is worse.
Well, look
Do you have
at
any
the...
more Mentos?
Yes?
What if you put them in there again? Would it work?
It's not going to work anymore. It's not enough. She's going to drink it.
I'm all wet.
All right, Kevin, explain what you're going to do. He's going to put a, was it June bug?
Yeah, I think that's what this is.
Kevin.
Light it. Put it in there and
First you
shut it.
Okay, Kevin, before you do that, are you sure you're quick enough? Brittany, grab the cap before it explodes on him.
No, I got a better idea. Okay.
Ready? Go.
Shit.
You gotta tighten it, damn it.
Oh my God, look, it's spit out. Now open it.
No.
Open it.
Fresh Coke.
That is sweet. Pour it and see what happens. Okay, Brittany, what are you gonna do?
Let these 2 in this little bottle right over there.
And then Kevin's got an idea with cans. So let's follow Brittany.
Where should I do it? Here?
Over here.
Kevin?
Be on the safe side. And this is my vehicle. Woohoo! Okay,
I got.
put it right here.
All
Put it right here. That's
Okay,
perfect.
This is not one of my best ideas. Put them together and I'm gonna put them in there.
Light it.
Alright?
Light the sucker. Smooth. Temp it. All right. Temp number 2.
That would be randomness in the end. Woofers. Shit, can't tie it. I got it, I got it, I got it! Thank you.
All right, here we go.
Ready?
Ready.
Ow! Fuck! Step number 3. Shit.
Boring.
Oh.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh. Well,
Coke is dead.
Diet Coke is dead. See? Diet.
Explain what you're gonna do.
Light the top, stick it in upside down on the soda can.
There's a lighter, dear.
My battery's getting low.
Just be on the safe side. Ooh, better. That's it?
Hey, what the hell?
Look at that. Discolor. Yay! Look at that.
Holy hot can.
Look. Okay, we're gonna be so stupid. We're gonna try to light all 4 of them at the same time. Bring it, Britt.
If I could try to.
Do you want me to try? Do you want me to do it?
Hold on.
Wait.
Do you want me to do it?
Just.
You knocked them out.
Oh shit!
I don't think so.
That's a freaking attacked us. God, are we stupid or what? That was Brittany doing that. Is it safe? I would laugh if it goes pew! Look at that, holy.
Wow.
Look, we did all 4 at once.
Burn my thumb too.
Okay, here's what Brittany and Kevin did.
Well, basically, all of these little guys together. This one is going to be lit, and probably all of them might be lit. If not, then, oh well. Here we go.
Oh my god.
They all would lit.
And they did.
You didn't believe me. You didn't believe me. Oh, damn it.
I just swallowed a crap load of it. Look at this.
Watch your head, Kevin.
Ready? Chicken! Whoa! Is that what they're supposed to do?
Yeah.
Well, how come those work?
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh shit, boom.
Didn't do anything. Oh shit. I think it's okay.
Check.
Started a fire. Brett, I bought that. that shirt.
Pink one? I told you, I'm not gonna wear it.
You're gonna wear it.
Fuck you. Still no.
And you're gonna wear that shirt.
Ow. Alright. You son of a... Here. Like nine. I don't like it. You jerk. Miss.
I hit you in the neck.
No, you missed. Did I win?
Yes.
Alright, now get the hell out of here.
Take a lesson, boys. We always win.
Hooray! Oh shit! Oh, look at that. I didn't do it. And we go. See?
That was a dud. Ready, Jose?
Yeah. You gotta this. Ready?
I'm ready. Okay, go.
Oh man.
To the bomb shelter.
Throw it over there. Throw it as a bomb.
Ready? Oh, God.
What the fuck? It doesn't do anything. There.
Nothing. Try one more time. You have an issue?
All of them in.
Oh, God. Do it at the same time.
We don't have enough room, I don't think.
Oh, of course you can. Just do it and run.
Just go ahead and run my ass.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, mother.
Attempt failed. All right. Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3.
No!
Throw that Coke. Just take it and throw it on the ground. Just throw it on the ground. Don't even think about it, Jose. Don't!
Here.
You fucking digs.
Throw it in there once.
Oh, Christ.
Let's see what happens.
Throw it in there. Hey, it's DJ! Now I'm gonna make this sucker explode.
Oh,
Okay.
you're holding it shut?
Are you recording it?
Yeah.
Go ahead, Kevin. Oh, God. Oh, shit. I almost fell.
Oh shit.
He beat Money. Go on.
It's more Mentos in this sucker. See how this goes.
You don't have to throw it that high. Not in the grass.
Shit, darn it.
Now it's really gonna be pressured.
It is pressured.
I better not die.
I better not either.
That's gonna die. Oh god, oh god.
All right, Kevin, I'm ready for you.
I'm waiting for her to move. Ah, fuck it.
Oh, no, you don't.
Will you hurry up?
All right now.
Oh god.
Woo.